आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello guys, welcome to Doubtnut. Today's question we have given if omega and omega square are normal cube roots of unity, and we have given 1 upon a plus omega plus 1 upon b plus omega plus 1 upon c plus omega is given as 2 by omega square and 1 by omega plus whole square by 1 plus b plus omega whole square and 1 plus c plus omega whole square is given as 2 omega. Now we have to find the value of 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 and 1 by c plus 1. So now the given relation can be written as 1 by a plus omega plus 1 by b plus omega plus 1 by c plus omega equal to 2 by omega. Now and it can be written as a plus omega square plus b plus omega square. We are replacing with omega square so that we can get our relation value like this. And we know that omega and omega square are root of 1 by a plus x plus 1 by b plus x plus 1 by c plus x equal to 2 by x. Now from this we will get value as, from this equation after taking LCM it will become 3x square plus 2 of a plus b plus c into x plus bc plus ca plus ab upon a plus x into b plus x into c plus x equal to 2 by x. Now from this we will getting value as x cube plus bc plus ca plus ab into x minus 2abc. And from here we can say that this equation 1 has 3 roots because it has maximum power of 3, and we have given 2 roots which are omega and omega square. So we are let alpha be third root. So from here we will be getting value as alpha plus omega square should be 0. So from this we get alpha equal to minus omega plus omega square, and we know that here it will come minus, so alpha value will become 1, and if alpha value will become, then it should satisfy our this equation. So we will put alpha value into this, so our equation will become 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 2 only b plus 1 plus 1 by c plus 1 equal to, and that's the value that we need to find in our given question. So we have find our given value, our value as 2. So our equation will become 1 by a plus 1 plus 1 by b plus 1 plus 1 by c plus 1 equal to 2, and that's the value that we asked in our given question. So we have find our value. Thank you guys. I hope you like my video.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।